Last year, the Texas Legislature did pass what's called the Human Life Protection Act. Anti-abortion rights advocates consider it a safeguard if abortion laws are left up to individual states. Our Brooke Rogers today explaining what that would mean as a change here in Texas.
It's called the trigger law, and it would go into effect 30 days after Roe versus Wade were overturned, if that were to happen. And it would essentially ban abortions in Texas. The law went into effect last September 1st. It doesn't change anything right now. Abortion remains legal up until fetal cardiac activity is detected, per the Heartbeat Act. But the trigger law would make performing an abortion in Texas a felony. Tarrant County Representative Giovanni Capriglione authored the bill.
I think it's been a mistake, a massive mistake for the courts to remove the right of life to so many individuals. And so what we wanted to say is when and if the Supreme Court rules, they're going to do is they're going to let the state legislatures of each individual states make these laws.
And if that happens, he says he wanted to make sure Texas already had an abortion law in place. The law provides exceptions only to save the life of the mother, or if she poses a serious risk of substantial impairment of a major bodily function unless the abortion is performed or induced. Pro-abortion rights group Avow calls the law appalling.
It was inevitable that some sort of reversal of Roe v. Wade, overturning of Roe v. Wade, or diminishing of our right to abortion was going to happen in the near future.
She says it would ultimately hurt the most marginalized Texans.
People that are already living on the margins of society and don't have access to the majority of the resources.
The law would not penalize the woman who has an abortion, but doctors who break the law could face up to 99 years in prison, fines of up to $100,000 per violation, and the loss of their medical license. Brooke Rogers, CBS 11 News.